Alright, first one of the day, Suzuki Bandit 1200S. New client, it's got three bikes to Valet. Luckily the sun is shining, although it's very chilly. We'll get cracking with the worst one, I suppose. This one has been sitting around for some time, as you can see, 40,000 plus miles. I think it's in more of a restoration project than a Valet, but we would do what we can in a couple of hours, see if we can revive this old girl, because he is getting ready to sell it. She is looking a little worse for wear, I must say. Oh my god, look at those wheels. Proper challenge on this Saturday morning. At least the chain's well greased up. Oh god, that's well worn. I think he said it's got just over 40,000 miles on it. See if we can get her looking a bit better before he advertises it. Let's get cracking. All right, just putting the finishing touches on this minging Bandit 1200, now gleaming. Oh, this was quite a state. Had to paint all these fork legs, all these wheels have been repainted, all your rusty pinch bolts, all your exhaust has been mirror polished. I've dusted all the motor with a bit of graphite silver. All your exhaust has been completely mirror polished, back wheels painted. Chain all degreased, re-lubed, ACF 50'd everything. All your paintwork's been hand polished. It's a bit tatty, the paintwork, so it's got a few heavy marks here and there, but I've done the best I can. This has taken me 3.5 hours, a bit more than my 2 hours, but I think the end result is gleaming. Let's get cracking with this one before the sun goes down.